Hey everyone, so this is Ms. Gonzalez from Scarlett Middle School. I am going to show you guys how to use Streamer. So it's a streaming website for Microbit. This is the first time that I'm using it, so apologies if I don't know exactly how to use it. But to show how your program works, we're going to use Streamer just to see. So let's say that I want to screen record something from MakeCode. I'm going to click up here in the top right-hand corner. There are these 6 really faded buttons. So if I didn't know that they were there, I might miss them, but they're in the top right-hand corner. There is a countdown, full screen. This does captions. This one does take a screenshot. This one starts recording, and this one is settings. So I'm just going to click settings just to see what is going on. Yikes. So you have a lot of things that you can play around with. You can play around with the theme, the background, all of that fun stuff. Here, when I click start recording, it'll ask me to turn on my camera, which I haven't done yet. So the first thing I want to do is click captions. When I click captions, oopsies, I turned it off. When I click captions, it will show what I'm saying. Now, when I click on screenshot, it'll just take a screenshot. It'll ask me what I want to show. So I'm going to choose application window and just choose the MakeCode coding environment. Click share. 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know why I'm smiling. Cool. And then it automatically downloads to my computer. That's fun. The next thing that we can use is the screen recording. So let's click on screen recording. Again, it'll ask me which thing do I want to record. My entire screen, my application window, or a Chrome tab. I guess Chrome tab would work too, but I'm going to go with application window. So I'm going to share this, and it asks me what size. I'll click to start recording. Now, I created this code quite a while ago. I'm not fully sure what it is, but I'm going to click into it. And the way that I want you to record your program is I want you to show me what the code is, and then I want you to make it full screen and show me here. At this time, you can talk about what struggles you had, anything that didn't work or did work. I'm actually going to close out the captions because it's taking up the whole screen. And then you can play around with these little buttons here on the emulator toolbar. You can have it start over. That's what this button does. You can have it stop. This button is in debug mode, so if there's a problem, you can click this and then it'll show you exactly where it is in the code. I'm going to turn that off though. So that's it. That's how you show us your designs. When I stop recording, it again downloads it as a .webm recording. Okay, so when you download it, it becomes a .webm recording. This should show up in your files, and I believe that you can still upload it, maybe not to an album. Let's check this out, schoology.com. And I'm gonna just open up a course, CSIM, that's this class, and let's check it out. So this is, oh, I don't have one yet, but I'm going to just add an album really quickly. And I'm going to see, again, this is the first time that I'm doing this. So blank presentation recordings. I will click create, attach files, And I just want to see if it's there right now. So I'll go into my downloads, and there it is. If I open it, it is uploading. Cool, add media. And there she is. I can click into it. It'll say converting media. You can download it. And then there it is again. So that is how you can upload your blank presentation. Good luck. I believe in you.